not cruelty and bloodshed. Is this the reason why God's creatures are made? How I could do such a horrible deed? Destroy these animals without our need. No, this has to stop. Death of animals has to drop. They will not be killed for fun. They have right to frolic under the sun. So many years ago, King Ashoka engraved laws for our welfare. But now we are being killed. We all need a safe place to live, just like you. We have so much to give. Give us our forests, deserts, grasslands, rock pools and wetlands. Some of our native plants and animals are dying, clearing jungles for building cities and farms. That's what they're trying. This is causing pollution. Please find the solution. I am a symbol of wisdom. Came here to share something. Humans are not bad as they seem. They are doing their bit, working hard as a team. National park and sanctuaries are made a home to give the 10 species a chance to roam. Animal hospitals are made for wisdom, that ailing animals get a good care. Project Tiger aims to protect and conserve a national animal, the tiger. I have heard that deforestation now it